Hey guys, so I just recently launched my FlySlay wig collection, and it was highly suggested how I put on my crochet wig. So I am showing you guys how I put it on. It is technically videos from TikTok. I do have a TikTok. It's called FlySlay Wigs, but I know a lot of people still don't know how to work TikTok, or don't have TikTok. So I decided to do it on YouTube so you guys could see. This is how I prep my wig before I put it on my hair. I twist it first, and then I curl the ends with my flat iron. And then that I do that the day before I install it, so the curls could be popping. And then on the same day, I just unravel it. If you want to see a separate video of me curling the ends of my crochet wigs, I could definitely do it. Just comment down below. And when I unravel my twists, I make sure I take my time because I do want the curls to be popping. And also, when you do come across tangles, just pull the two pieces apart slightly, not too rough. And then that's it. But definitely do it when you have patience and you're not in a rush. I always do it in the morning. I twist it up the day before and then do it in the morning. And then I just style it and go about my day in the afternoon. So just make sure you have time and patience when you unravel the twist. So here I'm just pulling the twist apart and just unraveling it and taking my time. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me unravel my just ponytail wig. Alright, so now that I finished unraveling it, it's time to put it on. And what I did first is put my real hair in a high ponytail. Good thing about just wig ponytail, you could do it updo or a low do. It's really up to you, but there's always a open top mesh cap, so just comfortably, if you do want to do an updo, your real hair could just go through that open top. And if you do decide to do a low do, you could just do a low ponytail with your real hair and then just do your low do right there with the wig. I use a open top mesh so my real hair could go through that open top easily and comfortably. And I'm pushing the wig right behind my hairline. I never put it right on top. We aiming for healthy growing hair. Right now, I'm just seeing how high I wanted my ponytail to be, where exactly I wanted my ponytail to be at, and now I am about to work the edges. And the benefits of FlySlay wigs that it comes with baby hair, so that's what makes the wig look extremely realistic. And what I do with the baby hair is just fluff them. I fluff them until they start looking like my real edges. So I just fluff, and fluff, and making sure that they look as realistic or similar to my real hairline. Here's a trick that I do sometimes when I really want to lay my just ponytail wigs, especially when it's like a windy day. I use boho glue. And when I apply it right in front of my hairlines, never on my hairlines, and I just dap it, like just small portions of the boho, and I just dap it right around my hairline. And little goes a long way, guys. Like, you don't need a lot of boho. You just need just a small portion of it to have the baby hair laid. And if you don't have boho lace glue, you could always use got to be glue, the clear gel. I use that sometime as well. And I'm just here dapping the glue right in front of my hairline. Just small dabs, small portions of glue right around, and making sure it's enough glue So after I dab the glue right in front of my hairline, I just smooth it, making it very clear so the glue won't be noticeable. I'm sorry if you guys hear the noise in the background, but I continue smoothing the glue until it's all clear. Once I finish, I fluff the baby hair and then I lay it right on top of the glue. So I fluff the baby hair first and then lay it right on top of the glue. And I fluff it first because I wanted it to look as realistic as possible. So fluff first and then lay it right on top of the glue. And another tip, I don't know if I mentioned, but when I place the glue right in front of my hairline, I always make sure I follow the way my hairline is so I can get that real realistic look. That's the key to make just ponytail look as realistic. You always want to follow your real hairlines when you apply the glue. And do y'all guys see how natural this hairline is looking? Like, yes, okay. And that's the goal. And of course, the edges will not look like a slick back. This is a high, messy ponytail look. So that's how the edges is going to always look. I never really tried putting edge control on it. I don't know. But yes, I always make the edges will always look like that, poofy. Now, after gluing it up and putting the baby hair right on top of the glue, I am now just pinning the wig. I always want the wig to be extra secure, even though it's already feels secure with the wig cap band, but I always love the extra protection. You can't go wrong with extra protection. And I'm just placing the pins where I feel is necessary to place them. I am also placing them to just flatten the front a little bit. But it's really up to you guys. You could use 0 pins or 100 pins. As long as it looks good and the pins is not noticeable. Now I am working the back and I'm also doing the same thing like I did in the front. With the back baby hair, I am just fluffing and then pinning, fluff it and pin it. And again, I cannot see, so I'm just really going by feels. I'm making sure that my real hair at the back, the naps is really tucked in under my wig, so the Blanca show more, the baby hair Blanca show more. And that's about it, guys. Just fluff, pin, and going by feel since I cannot really see the back of my head. So now it's time to put my hair up in a ponytail, and I never use a rubber band or a scrunchie. I honestly use a stocking socks. Like, this is a socks that I use that I did brought from Dollar Tree, and it works miracles, honestly. And I just wrap it around the ponytail, and that's really it. And then after that, I just tie it off at the back. And this is why I don't use elastic band, rubber band, or scrunchie, because it's just too much hair going on and you do not want the stress. I just put on this socks on and just that's it. That took me like probably 2 seconds. And here I'm just pushing the wig back where it was because it did pull my hair just a little bit, and I'm just pushing it down where it was before. And now I'm just fluffing the ponytail and about to fix the hair on the side that are sticking out. I'ma just pin it to the side. And I'm just here pinning the side. Also, if you have unwanted hair all up in your face, just snip it off, cut it off. Who needs it? No, but if you have like hair that's not going where your hairline is, or it's just in your way, in your direction, or in your face, just cut it off. So I'm here just doing my finished touches, and that's about it, guys. Let me put some Vaseline on these lips so it could be nice and moisturizing. Oh yeah, we can forget about them big old jumbo earrings. And bam, this is how I put on Just Ponytail Wig by FlySlay Wigs. And I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be posting more tips and tricks on how I make my crochet wigs as bomb as possible. Also, don't forget to follow FlySlay Wigs on TikTok. Here's a picture, and I will post the link down at the description box.